Hey there, Wellness Whiz kids! Are you ready to pack some fun and nutrition into your school lunches? I'm so excited to be your guide today as we explore some super delicious and easy snack ideas. These aren't your average snacks though. We're talking about lunchbox superstars that will have you feeling energized and satisfied all day long. Let's make your lunchbox the star of the cafeteria. All right, Wellness Whiz kids, let's dive into our first awesome snack recipe, rainbow veggie wraps. These wraps are not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a visual treat. Imagine biting into a wrap that's as colorful as a rainbow, filled with a variety of fresh, crunchy vegetables. It's like having a party in your mouth with every bite. These wraps are like edible confetti, bursting with colors and flavors that will make your taste buds do a happy dance. Each bite is a delightful mix of textures and tastes, from the crispiness of the veggies to the smooth, creamy hummus. It's a snack that not only looks good, but also tastes amazing. Plus, they're packed with healthy veggies to keep your energy levels up all day long. Whether you're heading to school, playing sports, or just hanging out with friends, these wraps will give you the boost you need to stay active and alert. First things first, grab a big, beautiful whole grain tortilla. We want that extra fiber to keep us feeling full and focused. Whole grains are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. So by choosing a whole grain tortilla, you're making a smart choice for your body and mind. Now, let's add a pop of orange with a handful of shredded carrots. Carrots not only add a sweet crunch to our wraps, but also bring a vibrant color that makes our wraps look even more appetizing. Carrots are like little vitamin A superheroes, giving our eyes some extra love. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, and it also supports our immune system and skin health. So, by adding carrots to our wraps, we're not just making them tastier, but also healthier. Next up, let's slice up some vibrant bell peppers. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors, each with its own unique flavor and nutritional benefits. We're going for a rainbow effect here, so grab a red one, a yellow one, and a green one. Each color represents different phytonutrients that are beneficial for our health. These colorful peppers are bursting with vitamin C, which is like a shield for our immune systems. Vitamin C helps protect our bodies from infections and keeps our skin healthy and glowing. And to add a touch of leafy green goodness, let's toss in a few spinach leaves. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, including iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. Spinach is like Popeye's secret weapon, giving us muscles of steel. It's also great for our bones and helps keep our blood healthy. Okay, maybe not exactly like Popeye, but you get the idea. Spinach is super healthy and adds a nice green color to our wraps. Now for the flavor that brings it all together, hummus. Hummus is creamy, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Grab your favorite kind of hummus. I love roasted red pepper and spread a generous dollop all over your tortilla. Hummus adds a rich, savory flavor that complements the fresh veggies perfectly. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are little protein powerhouses. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it also helps keep us feeling full and satisfied. All right, time to roll. Carefully roll up your tortilla nice and tight, like you're wrapping up a little present of deliciousness. Make sure all the colorful veggies and creamy hummus are tucked in nicely. Then, grab a sharp knife and slice your wrap into pinwheels. Aren't they pretty? These little pinwheels are perfect for lunchboxes, picnics, or as a fun snack at home. These rainbow veggie wraps are so fun to eat, and they're packed with vitamins, fiber, and protein to keep you going strong all day long. Plus, they're super customizable. You can add any veggies you like or even throw in some fruits for a sweet twist. Don't be afraid to get creative and add your own favorite veggies. The more colors you add, the more nutrients you'll get. It's like eating a rainbow of health. Fun fact. Did you know that bell peppers actually have more vitamin C than oranges? It's true. Bell peppers are a fantastic source of this essential vitamin, which helps keep our immune system strong and our skin glowing. So next time you're craving a vitamin C boost, reach for a crunchy bell pepper instead of a juicy orange. It's a delicious and nutritious choice that your body will thank you for. All right, Wellness Whiz kids, are you ready for a snack that's perfect for on-the-go energy? Whether you're heading to school, going on a hike, or just need a quick pick-me-up, this DIY trail mix is your new best friend. Let's mix up a batch of DIY trail mix. It's super easy to make, and you can customize it with all your favorite ingredients. This snack is like a party in a bag, with a little bit of everything to satisfy your cravings and keep you going strong between classes. It's crunchy, chewy, sweet, and salty all at once. First things first, grab your favorite nuts. Nuts are the foundation of our trail mix, providing that essential crunch and a boost of healthy fats. I love almonds, walnuts, and cashews, but you can use whatever nuts you like best. Pecans, hazelnuts, or even macadamia nuts can add a unique flavor and texture. Or if you have nut allergies, no worries. There are plenty of delicious alternatives. Seeds like sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds are awesome alternatives. They add a nice crunch and are packed with nutrients. Nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber to keep you feeling full and focused. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals that are great for your overall health. Next up, let's add some chewy sweetness with dried fruits. Dried fruits are not only tasty but also provide a natural source of energy. I love raisins, cranberries, and chopped apricots, but you can use whatever dried fruits your heart desires. Think about adding dried mango, pineapple, or even goji berries for a superfood boost. Dried fruits are like little bursts of natural sugar, giving you a quick energy boost when you need it most. Plus, they add a delightful chewiness to the mix. Now, let's add some whole grain cereal for a satisfying crunch. Whole grains are a great source of fiber and can help keep you full longer. I like to use plain Cheerios or Chex cereal, but you can use whatever kind you like. Just make sure it's whole grain for an extra boost of fiber. Whole grains are not only filling but also provide essential nutrients like B vitamins and iron, which are important for energy and overall health. And finally, for a touch of sweetness and a little mood boost, let's toss in a few dark chocolate chips. Dark chocolate is not only delicious but also has some surprising health benefits. Dark chocolate is actually good for you, especially when it's high in cacao. It's rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. It's full of antioxidants and can even help you focus better. Studies have shown that dark chocolate can improve brain function and boost your mood. Now just mix everything together in a big bowl or container, and voila! You've got a delicious, nutritious snack that's ready to go wherever you do. You've got yourself a delicious, crunchy, and portable snack that's perfect for stashing in your backpack or locker. It's great for a quick energy boost between classes or as a healthy treat during study breaks. Pro tip: when you're choosing dried fruits, try to go for the unsweetened varieties. They are naturally sweet enough and much healthier. They're naturally sweet enough, and you'll avoid any added sugars. This way you can enjoy your trail mix guilt-free and keep your energy levels steady. Alright, Wellness Whiz kids, get ready for a snack that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Apple sandwiches. These delightful treats are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that will keep you energized and satisfied. These aren't your ordinary sandwiches though. We're ditching the bread and using juicy apple slices instead. This makes them not only gluten-free but also adds a refreshing crunch that you won't get from regular bread. They're sweet, crunchy, and oh so satisfying. Plus, they're a great way to sneak in an extra serving of fruit into your day. First things first, grab a big, beautiful apple. The type of apple you choose can really make a difference in the flavor and texture of your sandwich. I like to use Honeycrisp or Fuji apples because they're nice and sweet, with a perfect balance of tartness. These varieties also tend to be quite crisp, which is ideal for our sandwiches. But you can use whatever kind of apple you like best. Maybe you prefer the tartness of a Granny Smith or the mild sweetness of a Gala. The choice is yours. Apples are full of fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. They also contain vitamins and antioxidants that are great for your overall health. Now, let's slice our apple into thin rounds. This part can be a bit tricky, so take your time to make sure your slices are even. You can use a knife if you're feeling confident, but remember to always be careful when handling sharp objects, or ask a grown-up for help. It's always a good idea to have an adult nearby when you're using a knife. We want our apple slices to be about the thickness of a sandwich slice of bread. This will give us the perfect base for our delicious fillings. Next up, grab your favorite nut butter. I love peanut butter, but almond butter, cashew butter, or sunflower seed butter would be delicious too. Each type of nut butter brings its own unique flavor and nutritional benefits to the table. Spread a generous dollop of nut butter onto one side of each apple slice. Don't be shy with the amount. We want each bite to be rich and satisfying. Nut butters are full of healthy fats and protein, which give you lasting energy. This makes our apple sandwiches not just tasty, but also a great snack to keep you going throughout the day. Now, for a little extra flavor and texture, let's sprinkle on some toppings. This is where you can really get creative and customize your sandwich to your liking. I like to use granola or raisins as they add a nice crunch and a bit of sweetness. But you could also use chopped nuts, seeds, or even mini chocolate chips. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and have fun with it. This is your chance to experiment with different flavors and textures. Finally, top each apple slice with another apple slice, just like you're making a sandwich. Press them together gently so the nut butter and toppings stick together. And there you have it. A fun, tasty, and healthy snack that's perfect for school lunches or anytime you need a little pick-me-up. These apple sandwiches are sure to be a hit with kids and adults alike. Fun fact, did you know that apples are a good source of fiber? Fiber is essential for a healthy diet and has numerous benefits. Fiber helps keep your digestive system happy and healthy, and it also helps regulate blood sugar levels, and it also helps you feel full and satisfied after you eat. So, not only are these apple sandwiches delicious, but they're also a great way to support your overall health. So next time you're looking for a fun and nutritious snack, give these apple sandwiches a try. They're easy to make, customizable, and packed with goodness. Enjoy! Thanks for snacking with us today, Wellness Whiz kids. Which lunchbox snack was your favorite? Let us know in the comments and share your own snack ideas with us. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and healthy videos. We're always cooking up something delicious and nutritious. And be sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you next time. Bye!